How can I pair my Roku remote if the pairing button is missing?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to pair your Roku remote when the pairing button is missing. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, because I'm here to help you out. Pay close attention to the following steps, as I guide you through the process of pairing your Roku remote without the pairing button.
Troubleshooting and preparation.
Before we begin, let's make sure we've covered some troubleshooting steps and have everything we need for the pairing process. Step 1. Check remote batteries first. Ensure that the batteries in your Roku remote are working properly. If they are low or exhausted, replace them with fresh batteries. A weak battery can often cause pairing issues. Step 2. Restart Roku device next. Let's restart your Roku device. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Go to your Roku device and unplug the power cord from the back. 2. Wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug the power cord back in. 3. Allow the Roku device to restart fully. Step 3. Clear obstructions. Make sure there are no obstructions between your Roku device and the remote. Move any objects that might be blocking the signal between the two. Step 4. Power cycle Roku remote. To power cycle your Roku remote, follow these steps. 1. Remove the batteries from your Roku remote. 2. Press and hold any button on the remote for about 5 seconds. 3. Reinsert the batteries into the remote.
Alternate pairing method.
If you've completed the troubleshooting steps and are still unable to find a pairing button on your Roku remote, you can try an alternate pairing method using the Roku device itself. Step 1. Access the Roku secret screen first. We need to access the secret screen on your Roku device. Follow these steps. 1. Using your Roku remote, press the following buttons in sequence: Home, 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 Up, Up, Right, Left, Right, Left, Right. 2. After entering the button sequence correctly, you should see the secret screen appear on your TV. Step 2. Enable pairing mode on the secret screen. Locate the option called Remote Pairing. Use the arrow keys on your Roku remote to navigate and select it. Once selected, a code will appear on your TV screen. Step 3. Pairing the remote now. It's time to pair your Roku remote with the code displayed on your TV screen. Follow these steps. 1. Remove the batteries from your Roku remote. 2. Look for a small black button or a pinhole on the inside of the battery compartment. 3. Using a paperclip or a similar object, press and hold the button or insert it into the pinhole. 4. While holding the button or the pin, insert the batteries back into the remote. 5. Release the button or remove the pin from the pinhole. If the pairing is successful, you should see a confirmation message on your TV screen, indicating that your Roku remote is now paired with your Roku device. Congratulations! You've successfully paired your Roku remote without a pairing button. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your Roku device, check the batteries, restart the device, and clear any obstructions. If you still face difficulties, refer to the Roku support website or contact their customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more helpful,